If you look around the workplace today, you will agree that some of the most sought after capabilities are people's ability to think critically, analyze and interpret information properly, articulate their thoughts in writing, and speak confidently in public. These capabilities are collectively the communication skills that are often lacking in most professionals and organizations and are a huge difference maker for those who have them. The reason why most professionals struggle in the area of communication skills is that they did not get a firm foundation in those skills when they were young, due to obvious gaps that exist in our formal education system. Be Better Books has addressed this by developing a unique collection of learning resources, books, and games in the area of communication skills, and we invite you to take advantage of them. Children from age 7 all the way to adults of any age will no doubt find the Word Wiz board game and the 110 tips to present like a star valuable. We also encourage you to partner with us to deploy these resources to schools and communities around you as part of your organization's social investment activities so that we can build a generation of better communicators now and in the future. Call us on 0805 195 3276. Contact us via email at info@bebetterbooks.biz or visit www.bebetterbooks.biz to take advantage of our life skills resources and the opportunities that exist to partner with us.